Hi all, wishing you all a happy morning and a healthy life. I welcome you to our channel Ayurvani, Ayurveda Enlighten Your Life, presented by Parasharas batch of Sri Jaindra Saraswati Ayurveda College. A life without health is like a river without water, right? Health is not something that comes all of a sudden. Ayurveda guides us to maintain swasthya, that is health. The secret of your health is found in your daily routine. Our science has shared this secret. Yes, Dinacharya, our day-to-day regimen, which has to be followed by everyone. To make you know about Dinacharya that helps you to stay healthy, here comes Adithyan.
Thank you, Akshaya, for such a warm welcome. I really feel proud to be a part of our Ayurvani channel. In today's topic, we shall discuss about the daily regimen that should be followed by a healthy individual. The first thing is waking up in Brahma Muhurtam. Brahma Muhurtam is approximately 96 minutes before sunrise. So a healthy individual should wake up in Brahma Muhurtam only. Soon after waking up, the individual needs to analyze his or her body for a few minutes and then shall go for excretion of waste from their body. The next procedure is brushing. There are certain procedures need to be followed while brushing. The tastes that should be used for brushing are hot, bitter and astringent. தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும் காரமான கசப்பான அல்லது தோற்பான சுவைகள் மட்டும்தான் உபயோகிக்க வேண்டும். The taste that should be avoided while brushing are sweet, salt and sour. The next procedure what we are going to see is anjanam or application of collyrium in the eyes. We all know that there is a predominance of Agni Mahabhuta in our eyes. So on application of collyrium to the eyes, it gives clean, beautiful eyes with sharp vision. The next procedure what we are going to see is Nasya. Nasya is the usage of medicines in the nasal passage. It gives improvement to the facial nervous system also. The next procedure is betel chewing. This helps in digestion of the previously consumed meal. The next procedure is Abhyangam. It is one of the most important procedures done in Ayurveda. Abhyangam is known as oil massage to our body. It improves vision and good sleep also. Remember, whenever we apply oil to our body, the oil should be lukewarm. அதாவது மிதமான சூட்ல இருக்கணும். The oil should be applied on head, center of the head, ears and foot. அதாவது முச்சந்தலையிலையும் காதுகள்லையும் பாதங்கள்லையும் தான் நம்ம எண்ணெயை ஜென்டலான ஒரு மசாஜ் கொடுக்கணும். So soon after oil massage, we need to go for physical exercises. Whatever be the physical exercises, it purely depends upon the individual. It can be either walking, jogging or yoga. But remember, there is no over exercise also. The main exercise is to induce sweat from our body. Soon after exercise, we shall go for bathing. Make sure that the water is either hot or warm. And remember one thing, whenever you are bathing, the water should be poured from your foot to your neck. And remember, there is no direct pouring of water in your head. It may lead to problems of your eyes and hair. This procedure improves the digestion and appetite also. And coming to the most important thing in our life, daily life, is the procedure of eating food. Whenever there is proper appetite only, individual should consume food. And whenever the previous meal is digested, individual is advised to take the meal. So, alava saapidunga, aarogyamaga saapidunga. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing such a great information, Adithyan. After knowing these great benefits, every one of us should try to follow Dinacharya. Those who are already following Dinacharya, please share your benefits by commenting in our comment box. The beginning is always now. Those who are going to take up Dinacharya, start it from today. Ahara, food, it plays a vital role in our life. Can you list out the fruits and vegetables that are native to India? Feel free to share your comments with us. Thank you for watching. See you soon in our next video. Bye bye.